Today, guys, we were selling the pound and we had initial success. I could say because we had a lot of success, almost at our target. After that, guys, the price has been ranging around. Unlike your USD or gold, the price has not gone in one exact direction, guys. So, guys, in my opinion, today I am bullish, not selling this. As long as the price is above 1.33728, guys, my first target is 1.34349, and guys, my next target would be 1.34802. So, wishing you guys the best of luck. I'm traveling, so my analysis will be short today. Actually, let me check the 4H. Yeah, we are kind of consolidating. So as long as we are above the support, we are in bullish consolidation. The daily chart, yeah. So and guys, if the price breaks below 1.33728, guys, we will be going for 1.33090. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.